Let us study about some places of interest in the world map. One is Istanbul. You can see here. I have concentrated on it. Istanbul is the modern name of Old Constantinople. Constantinople was gateway of European trade. It is near Turkey. Observe it. Then some European countries. What are they? Istanbul is here. Observe. Near it, not near it. Black Sea is here. Then Istanbul is here. Mediterranean Sea. You can see Mediterranean Sea. Then you can also see Red Sea. Suez Canal was built between Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. You cannot see, but you can imagine, I think. See Suez Canal. Suez Canal was built across Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Red Sea is here. See, observe. Some of the countries of European continent: Poland, Germany, Italy, Spain. Poland, Germany, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, France, etc. Okay. Some of the Asian countries, one of the most is India, in which the important Asian country to which Europe had trade connections is India. Was India. You can see here in the world map. We are here in Mattu. Okay. Other Asian countries: Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is here. See, Sri Lanka. Bangladesh formed nowadays. In ancient times, only India was there. Bhutan, China, here. Were some of the countries to which Europe had trade links. The spices like cardamom, pepper, cinnamon were in great demand. In ancient time, the land route between India and that then Constantinople or Istanbul was controlled by Arabs. Then from Istanbul or Constantinople, Italian merchants, Italy you can see here, Italian merchants would buy these products and sell to other European countries like France, Spain, Portugal, Germany, Poland, United Kingdom, etc. But when Constantinople, the modern day Istanbul, was captured by Ottoman Turks, before Arabs controlled the land route between India and Constantinople. Then Ottoman Turks captured Istanbul or Constantinople. Thus, the land route was closed. Not closed actually. Ottoman Turks levied heavy tax. So, Italian merchants of Europe felt that the trade was too costly. So, they want to invent new sea route to India. Spain and Portugal, see here, sent their courageous sailors to find a new sea route to India. Thus, from Portugal, Vasco da Gama started his voyage. See, I am showing the route. He crossed, see, Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope is here. Okay, you can't see, I think. Encircled South Africa, and then he went to Hindu Mahasagar or Indian Ocean, then he reached Arabian Sea, then he comes to Calicut, Kappadu, near Calicut. So you can see Kappadu. It is in Kerala, the west coast of India. Then what happens? But this route was too long, so they built Suez Canal across Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. That's all about the map.